soon to give the opening speech. Please join me to welcome her.
Very much. All the distinguished guests, faculty members, staff, students, and all participants. On behalf of the faculty of Nursing Chiang Mai University, I'm honored to warmly welcome all of you to this workshop, the Academic Publishing Exchange held today. So, as all we know that we are the scholar and we are the researcher, okay? So to make sure that our good research are accessible from people all over the world to be benefit. So if we do research and our research is just kept with us in the thesis or in the report, is meaningless. So publishing or dissemination of our research result is very important to make sure that our effort that we try to prove or we try to examine or knowing something is disseminated and be beneficial to the community. So that's why publishing is very important, especially the international publishing, since English is very is the language that all over the world that can read. If we publish just only in Thai language or in Chinese language, so it's not accessible to others. So I think that today is really good opportunity that we have a chance to hear for a first hand from MDPI team that how in terms of the because they are the publisher, so we will learn some of the new knowledge that they can share with us. So I'm confident that today's activities will deepen our understanding of the academic publishing process, including the ethics and relevant technologies, so which will greatly benefit for further development of our research endeavor. So finally, I think that today everyone should actively participate in the exchange of the idea and to gain fully benefit from these events. So thank you very much for all of you who coming for participate in these events, and thank you for MDPI to organize this event. Thank you very much. Now I would like to declare the opening of this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much for Dr. Supara for your inspiring speech. And before we begin, because from PPI we really appreciate your help and assistance, so we also have a small gift to give to the team and the associate dean. And also let's take a group photo together before we begin the session. ขอเชิญอาจารย์พนิดาขึ้นด้วยค่ะ
Thank
Okay, thank you so much everyone. And now our first session will begin with Ms. Becky Casaron, the Institutional Partnership Manager from MBTI, who will introduce MBTI and